In a joint press release issued yesterday, the elected 10 MLAs of the Kuki MLAs community voiced out their resentment against the Manipur police, particularly the commandos' atrocities over innocent and helpless Kuki MLAs civilians in the Technopal district, following the aftermath of the killing of SDPO Chingtham Anand. In the joint press release, the 10 Kuki MLAs have condoled the deed of the state cop. However, they have asserted that the state security forces are resorting to excess and atrocities perpetrated against the Kuki people in Moreh. Further, the Kuki MLAs have also claimed that in the operations that are underway at Moreh, the state forces resorted to arson, indiscriminate firing, looting of civilian properties, vehicles and household items including valuable ornaments, documents, gold, cash and unprovoked brutality, forcing common people, including women and children, to flee into the nearby jungle. Acknowledging the state police hardship while naming the culprits, the Kuki legislature also claimed that the police cannot condone the unrestrained, illegal and barbaric activities of the commando and state police personnel. The 10 Kuki MLAs have appealed to the MHA to deploy neutral forces in Moreh and also sought action against erring state police officers.